हम कुर्सी पार के तिरुपति इंग्लिश एकेडमी विजिट किए हैं। लेट्स सी बच्चों का आज फीडबैक लेके देखते हैं बच्चों की इंग्लिश कैसी है, हाउ इज़ द इंग्लिश ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन। आज आप लोग को वॉइस टेस्ट है। आई यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Yes, sir, we are ready
Okay.
for this.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Sir, my name is Chandni.
Chandni, today is your voice test and I'm going to take something from you.
Yes, sir.
My question is, I'm giving you some topics and on that you have to speak something. You have to put your opinions on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your topic is internet.
So, I am Chandni and I am going to speak something about internet. As we know, internet is very important for all us, and by internet we get many types of informations, and we can learn many things like weaving, knitting, making food, and so on. And by internet we can easy our study. We can make our study easy. So we can say it like this: internet are very important. Without internet we are incomplete. Sometimes guiding persons are not present in around us. That time we can take help of internet, and so that's it, sir.
Okay, and how the English important for you?
Sir, English is not only important for me but also for all. And English is like a medium to completing our dream, our life. So English is have own importance in all. English is very important for all. And English is help to getting jobs and others works. So English is very important, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name is Preeti.
Preeti, you have to also put your opinion.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if you can or not. Your topic is say something on teacher.
Yes, sir. So, I'm Preeti. I'm going to say something about on teacher. So, first question is come that what is teacher and how we depend on them. So, teacher is the medium to complete our dream and study also. That how we complete our dreams, they lead us. And as we know, teacher is considered like our parents, second parents, because our first parents is father and mother. So teacher is second parents, and they always lead us in right direction only, and they give us strength to survive. And without teacher, we our life is incomplete. We can say so. Teacher is play like a important role in our life. So teacher is very important. Thank
Okay,
you.
you did very job. Preeti,
Yes.
there are a few students who has come new as a newcomers. So any tips for them? In
Yes,
your
sir.
suggestion, what would you like to give
Yes,
them suggestion?
Yes, sir, I can give suggestion like they should firstly they should listen what sir say and everyone. So after that they should write and read, and they also revise their structures, and what sir says they listen. So it is important.
Okay, thank you.
That's all.
What's your name?
I'm Fiza.
Fiza, first of all, tell me when from have you been coming here to learn English?
I've been coming here for 7 months.
So can you give me some expression on topics?
Yes, sir.
Your topic is, can you explain about the any actors of,
Yes, I can explain.
tell me.
There is an actor whose name is Ram. He born in Telangana in Hyderabad, 15 May 1988. His father name is Murli Mohan Pothineni. His mother name is Panchri Pothineni. He has a one brother and sister. He made his debut with Devdasu, which won a Filmfare Award for the best male debut. He works in many movies. People also call him an energetic star, and he's my favorite actor.
Okay, and any suggestion for newcomers? How should they grow up like you? Because as a being senior, a few tips would you like to give them?
So they should revision more and they should grow in their vocabulary so they can speak.
And who is she besides you?
She's my friend, so
How is she in English?
she's good, so
And how is she in behavior with you?
she's very good, so.
Does she fight in the class?
No, sir, she doesn't fight with me.
But yesterday I saw you nearby Jan Medical. What were you doing that time?
So I was there for buying some food.
And who was the boy who was pushing you in the line?
No, sir, he was not pushing me.
So what was he doing that time?
He was just asking me something.
Okay. Nice talking to you all.
Thank you, sir. Me too, sir.